again, guys! Thank you for watching my video. In this video, I will show you in a few steps how to generate Bitcoin safe and easy. This is some of the withdrawals I made using this platform, and it's working perfectly for me. Quick disclaimer, this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before investing any Bitcoins. I'm not an investment advisor. Use your Bitcoin investments wisely. Guys, please understand I'm not giving any guarantees in this video. I'm just showing you my results that I was able to withdraw. You can also withdraw without paying anything. You can use your affiliate program for free withdrawals. Also, be sure to watch it all the way into the end for my free 1 Bitcoin giveaway. I really like this mining platform as it's really reliable when it comes to mining Bitcoins. They constantly are doing payouts and have a good customer support. Alright, now I will log into my account to start the mining process. By the way, I'm also using my monthly crypto key for this video. Okay, now I will use my Coinbase account for receiving the Bitcoins.
What? What the fuck?
As you see, the mining process starts automatically, and we just have to wait for the mining process to complete. But right now, I'll fast forward the video because the mining process takes around 20 to 30 minutes to complete. I've been using this site for a week now with my other Bitcoin account, and I must say, it's a really great earning experience and perfect for the one who's looking for a profitable online mining site. Now that that's out of the way, the video is going to be super valuable, so make sure you watch it all the way into the end. I'm going to show you my exact steps on how I made that much Bitcoin. So, if this is something that interests you, please keep watching. And if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm also giving 1 Bitcoin away weekly. To participate, just leave a comment and don't forget to leave your Bitcoin wallet address with your proof of sharing. Like and subscribe! And I randomly choose 3 winners weekly for our free Bitcoin giveaway. The Bitcoin mining process is now complete. I mined 1.42 Bitcoins and successfully sent to my Coinbase account. I still can mine 5 more times from my account. Later, I will try to mine more Bitcoins. Now, let's check my Coinbase account and see if the withdrawal arrives to my account. There you have it! I successfully withdrew my 1.42 Bitcoins I mined earlier to my Coinbase wallet. And don't forget about our Bitcoin giveaway. Just leave a like, your comment with your wallet address, and the link for the proof of sharing. And I randomly choose 3 winners for our free Bitcoin giveaway. You can find the link in the description below. The giveaways have already been given automatically to 3 winners weekly. Thanks for supporting my videos. See you in the next video.